There it goes. It's gonna be coming around. I've never been on a ride like this before, honestly. Because usually, I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous, but I like the waterfall cue. I think that's pretty sweet. Oh, for sure. Are you nervous?
I'm ready. I'm like, let's go.
Yeah, there it goes. Wow.
So cool.
The Manta. I'm ready to go. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, here we go. Manta on the way. That's gonna be you.
That's gonna be me. It's gonna be you too.
Wow. I love waterfall cue lines. The Manta, we're going to become the Mantas.
Oh my gosh.
He looks like a wise old man with his whiskers.
Jesse look like she's been through something. Yeah. I probably look like I've been through something too.
That was crazy. I don't know if I liked going backwards like that. That was
backwards, you mean upside down?
Upside down.
Yeah.
Forward, upside down. That was a sensation I've never felt before.
man, that is like one of the most intense
Yeah.
rides I think I've ever been on. I've never been on a roller coaster like that where you're facing. I know they have plenty of them like at Six Flags and
Yes.
all that, but yeah, it is a different, intense kind of experience because you're going certain directions that you
Your
feel like you
body's
should not
used,
be.
Yeah, your body is not used to going in. Not to mention, like, the blood is kind of rushing
Yeah.
to the front part of your body just because you're hanging there.
Yeah.
So
But it is cool,
Yeah.
that being said. It's
Yes.
a really cool
Yes, yes.
experience. And
I love it when the water splashes on you.
yeah, when you
You're like,
go
oh,
through and the
that's
water
really
splashes up. Yeah, so hopefully you got plenty of good footage of that.